Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve the file could not be accessed. Try one of the following Excel error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix the file could not be accessed. Try one of the following Excel error using 7 fixes. Solution 1. Rename the file or move Excel file to a new folder. The first solution you can try is shifting the file to another folder and then saving it with a new name. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, left tap over the folder and change the file name. Besides this, you can also try saving your affected file to another new folder and then try opening it. Solution 2. Clear the Microsoft Office cache. Clearing the Office cache may help resolve the file could not be accessed. Try one of the following Excel error. Close all Office applications. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %Microsoft /Office /16.0 /Office file cache. Modify 16.0 for your Office version, and press Enter. In the Office file cache window, delete all temporary files. Solution 3. Disable protected view. By default, Excel activates certain protected view settings. This is meant to prevent you from opening a potentially infected file downloaded from the internet. So, let's disable the protected view. Open Excel, select the File menu option. Select Options. Select Trust Center, and click on Trust Center Settings. Next, select Protected View and uncheck the desired items, all 3 if you use Outlook for email. Finally, enjoy opening all of your Excel files without the Protected View nuisance banner. Solution 4. Update the Excel app to the latest version. The next solution you can try is to update Excel application to the latest version to see if it helps fix the file could not be accessed error. Open the Microsoft Excel application. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Solution 5. Verify file permissions. Insufficient permissions can cause file access issues. To check this, right-click the Excel file in Windows Explorer and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and click Edit. Ensure right permissions are enabled for your user account. If not, grant permission and click Apply. Solution 6. Repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to this message. You can fix it by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control Panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 7. Use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve the file could not be accessed, try one of the following Excel error, then you can download the Excel Repair Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about the file could not be accessed. Try one of the following Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.